Life on Earth is dependent on five basic elements, viz. Earth, water, fire, air and sky. Among the five basic elements, water is an important natural source and is the very basis of our life. No creature can survive without it. We use water for drinking, irrigation, industry, transport, and for the production of hydroelectricity. Water is a renewable source which can be used again and again after cleaning. So, water needs to be conserved. There are various techniques to conserve water. Rainwater is one of the techniques. Rainwater harvesting is one of the most effective methods of water conservation. It is the technique used for collecting, storing, and using water for irrigation and other needs of human, animals, and plants. During rainfall, the water fall on the roof or terrace of our houses or buildings. The roofs should have a gutter of PVC to collect water and channel it to the down water pipe system. Gutter helps us to collect water from the rooftop. It is important to keep the roof clean so as to ensure that the rainwater collected are free from dust and bacterial contamination. About 3 to 4 downwater pipes seem sufficient for 1,000 to 1,200 square feet area. These can be connected to each other, either to form one or two outlets to lead to the storage system. It is important to filter the water before it enters the storage tank so as to remove the dirt and other particles. Water from the downpipe fills up storage tank for further agriculture and domestic use.